presence of my good friend Amina Mohammed, who's been a tremendous leader, and to hear the Prime Minister of Pakistan talk about cricket. Well, where I've come from, cricket is what you put on a fishing line. We don't even understand cricket. I grew up playing baseball in the United States. And when I was a young person, too, I made the decision to enter into politics, thinking that young people must be a part of changing the world. Of course, that was quite a long time ago. But what I found out in politics, in government, and this is what I hope that you will come away from this summit understanding, that you must be inspired to make a difference in your nation. When I was elected governor in the United States, our unemployment rate was the worst in the United States. Our personal income growth was one of the worst in the United States. We had high welfare and a tremendous number of people depending on government. But we put together a vision and a team, laying aside our political and party differences, with an execution that would take place, not worrying about who gets credit, but how do we help the people that need it most. And literally within 2 years, the small state of South Carolina was #1 in America in job growth, #1 in America in per capita international investments, #1 in America in employment. It was all about teamwork, a dream that came true because of a vision being executed by men and women who had a common goal. And when I look at the last 200 years, because it's easy today to fixate only on the negative, only on the worst, but let me